Bắt đầu kể đi, kể chuyện gì?
Where did you live and why? Your life in a cave was much worse than in a house. The inner cave did not have wardrobes, cupboards, and beds. Wardrobes, cupboards, bowls, plates, and beds can have only in the richest house. Once, a man that lived in a cave had only saw that he lives in a desert, that the crops easily grow in the deserted land. There were no strange creatures in the desert, and some of the deserts are easy for plants to grow on. He asked for himself that if he can change his mind, he lives with his child that has only 10 years old, but he is strong. He is strong like the big boy that has 18 years old. Not only he and his child, but two dogs live in the cave too. They watched for dangers that could be hiding in the dark. Not only dogs, but a cat. In a cave, mouses live here. The cat always chased the mouses. One day, a cat gives birth to 3 kittens. All of the 3 kittens were very confident and serious with the mouses. In the kitchen, he only had a big pot with 3 bowls, 3 spoons, 3 forks, and 3 plates. He had to collect woods for fire because his cave did not have enough firewoods. In the fireplace can bake the cake fiercely. So his cake is better, and so is his bread. One day, he is searching woods, and every day he searched woods and bring it to town to sell them for money. He had to go for a long walk with his dog and a barn nearby. Inside the barn there was only a horse. The horse's cleverness of carrying woods and some of the heavy things and rocks were high. The man decided that it was time to go to the town. He had searched many logs that he would have time. Soon, in a town, the storekeeper made a store, and in the store was filled with food, drinks, magazines, books, computers, phones, smartphones, mouses, vegetables, fruits, and some of the medicine. All the people in the town were excited to buy them in the store. Soon, the storekeeper found that it was time for buying. A man came and asked, "Hello, may I buy some milk so that I can help my child?" "Yes, you can," said the storekeeper. Then the man asked, "How much is it cost?" "It's only 15 pennies, said the man. So the man's hands crept into the wallet. Then he pulled out 15 pennies. Then the storekeeper gave him 3 cartons of milk and said, "Here you are." "Thank you," the man said. Then the man brought it to his wife. Another time on the same day, a woman asked to buy a diaper for her baby. "May I have a box of diaper?" she asked. "Yes, inside the store has many diapers for babies," the storekeeper said. "And how much is it cost?" asked the woman. 5 pennies, said the storekeeper. So the woman did the same as the man, but she only pulled up 5 pennies and gave it to the storekeeper. The storekeeper gave the woman a box of diaper and said, "Thank you." And with that, some of the guests come to buy something, and there was something that had happened the same as the man bought his milk. 3 cartons of milk to help his child, and the woman who bought a box of diaper for her baby. So the guests make the same. May I buy a glass of water?" "Yes, in the store has 1 carton of water." "How much does it cost?" "It's 90 pennies." "Oh, that's too expensive. A big carton of milk has only 50 pennies." "It's not expensive at all. Can I have it?" "Yes." "Here you are. Thank you." If you ask how much money that the storekeeper had earned, I said the storekeeper had earned 1,000 pennies. He gave them back to the man who lived in the desert. To see this, the man was overjoyed. Then a day arrives. He only used his 200 pennies to go for his work. What if I have to make 90 bowls of rice?" he asked to himself. "Then I must make a bowl of rice for us someday." And he went to the field and gathered some wheat. Then he turned the wheat into the rice and turned the rice into the brown rice that he always eats. Soon he had a cooking ricer that did not make any mistake. In his cave only has the housekeeper, the mattress that he would sleep in it every night, the scraper, and some of the crickets. He saw that it was the second day for a storekeeper to earn some money. As the guests did the same from the first day, then an old woman stepped near the storekeeper and asked, "May I have a drum so that I can warn everyone from dangers?" "Yes," said the storekeeper. The old woman went looking for the drums, and there was only 1 drum that it cost 1 penny. So she gave the man 2 gold coins. That was possible for 1 penny. 1 penny was 2 gold coins. I can wonder how long that he had to get some of the penny. In the final check, he had made a treasure. 100 pennies were gone, and the man only had to make more brown rice and to sell in the market. Why can't I have to be gone? He asked. If he had a timekeeper, he could solve it. At the end of the day, he had some bags full of pennies. One day, 3 thieves came by and found the cave where he lived. But the dogs didn't know, and the cats were still there. Suddenly, when they saw the thieves was entering with a knife on their hand to kill the dogs, the cat tried to wake the dog up, and soon the dog barked. Woof! Woof! He barked. I must have your money now. The first thief said, No, that's our money. If you don't leave, I'll bark and fight and give you to the police. Growl! The dog growled angrily. Suddenly, the man woke up to see what was happening. His wife yelled, Can't you be more careful? And can't you have to stop annoying everyone? She scolded the thief. I must annoy your house, said the thief.